Everybody, welcome to the channel. Get my stuff ready because tomorrow morning we're heading out to the Juniata River. I want to show you a couple things that I'm taking for it. This is the new Capperlin bag that I got at the Philly Expo Center. It was this year. To meet Extreme Philly Fishing, and I actually bought a couple of Euro Tackle baits. So we're gonna try those out. Got a nice little lithium battery for our John boat. It's only like 24 pounds that this thing weighs compared to like 30 or 40 or more pounds, where weight's critical. We don't want to overload the boat. Can't go out without a camera. We're actually going to be using this one too. Now let's go out here and I want to show you the boat we're going to be using. Bought this back in 95, I believe it was. And yeah, it's not much, but it'll do. Little Coleman Crawdad. Kind of modified it back here for the trolling motor. We also added this little, it looks like crap really. I'll tell you what, take this little pole here. This is actually a 12-foot pole. It's a 2-piece. Slides right down through there. Anchors you down. That's all you need. Go in here and I'll show you the rods that we're going to be using. Alright, as you can see, we got Enigma Fishing Packmaster rods, and we got two Finesse series rods. They're all Ardent reels, and yeah, we got the Dragon drops on here. We got the Ned rig. Got new new wading shoes and new set of chest waders. So yeah, so it's gonna be here before you know it, morning wise. So we're gonna just pack everything up, get ready, head to bed soon, and get up early and get out there in the river. My buddy's fish bait's gonna be here. I'm gonna try to beat his butt in fishing again. And yeah, so see you guys in the morning. We're here, boys and girls. Ooh. All right. I'll let you jump in and I'll push you out of here. Don't lose your keys.
But I guess I could have. I mean, I could have left them in my van. Alright. I don't have my back flat.
Alright, bye.
I mean, see ya.
Didn't hook the motor up, sorry. Yeah, I cut the wire though.
Yeah, you wouldn't do that.
I don't know.
Your brand new door marker?
Drag ain't set tight enough. Oh yeah, hitting the river.
Woohoo! Having fun.
Yeah, he's having fun now until I catch some. First spot, we only had a couple little bites, so we're gonna move up a little more, see what we can find. We're gonna head up towards that area. There's a boat already up there. We're gonna try to fish around them rocks and stuff. Got a train in the background. It's gonna turn out to be a good day. Nice little chunker. Oh, what's this say? A shipment for your order, Guggen Squad, is out for delivery.
Oh yeah, I got me.
It's my t-shirt.
Sell this.
Huh?
I sell this. I got you. You need to sign up for drive.
No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't.
Baby. What's out on the baby setting?
Well, babies or not, I would be eating.
And I'm pretty sure it's still. Pretty sure you still can't keep them out of the. Just running the genius for a little bit.
If I was survival mode, I don't give a shit about rules. Hi, little buddy. Bye, little buddy. Whoa, look at that. Snakey. Gonna catch that snakey. Gonna catch that snakey. Gonna catch that snakey. Gonna catch that snakey. Ah, man, he took off. He gone. To do that, we got power pole. Deploys in seconds. Keeps your boat there all day. Gotta see if I can find that snake. Know a lot of people are like, nope, not getting there's no snakes, but I mean, this would be a perfect area for snakes to just sit up here in this mud, go down in the water there and get some fish. Nope, he's gone. He's probably over there on the other bank somewhere. You know, surprisingly, you can have more fun with one of these little setups in a bass boat. All right. Current situation, I got two. Bradley's still working on his first one. Got this nice little spot up here. And we're gonna actually head on over there to that bridge that's up that way. So I'm gonna chow down some combos, get some game fuel, some Mountain Dew down, and we still recording? All right, must have been a glitch in the camera. But as you can see, it's really nice here. So let's get back to the fishing action. I'll jump on out of here.
If you have enough juice, we can go to the lake and go fishing then.
Huh?
If you have enough juice, we can go to the lake and fish. It's like about 15 minutes away from where we park.
Really?
Yeah.
Welcome to Hershey Park. Enjoy your ride.
Look at all those snails.
Is that what that is? Well, we traveled up the river. I had to pull the boat up to where we're at right now. I left him in the boat since I had, of course, chest waders on. And I'm looking for my third fish. He's looking for his first fish. And I found the spot. It's right back here. It looks excellent. So let's go back here and see if we can catch one. I'll be back with my third fish. Had a little guy hit it. Oh, what's that over there? Look, look. Underneath this tree branch, we got something chasing stuff over there. Cass is just a little too... Oh, he got it. We got one. He's really pulling. I believe this is a largemouth. Yeah, I think we got a largemouth. Or wait a minute. No, it's a smallie. We got another smallie. Yeah. Buddy! Googan Squad, drag and drop. It's unbelievable how much bait's in the water here. Oh yeah, there's a nice one. I don't care if baby. I went to turn my motor on and I felt my line jump. It's like, I'll just get him when he turns his motor on. Well, the big smallmouth, you know, weren't to be found. But we found a couple baby ones. It was still a good day on the water. What?
Put motor in the back, or?
No, I'm gonna take care of all that stuff. I just want to organize everything. This guy's wanting to rush me. He's rushing me. You see that? He's rushing me.
Well, are we going to Buffalo, or are we just gonna?
No, we can go for a little bit, but I want to be home then. So we'll probably have to fish from the shoreline. That's all right. Yeah. If you want to redeem. All right, we're going to the Little Buffalo. See you there. Goodbye. Damn. He would have shit bricks if I would have caught that one. I had one, but he got off at the bank. I was like, oh man, you're gonna frickin' throw your rods in the water. I'm like, hey, look what I got. Largemouth. Okay, well, we went, fished the river. Fish bait didn't catch any. He tried. He had a couple hooked, but he couldn't get them in the boat. Imagine that. Then we went to Stover's Dam. It was pretty much of a grass fest. We ended up catching a couple there too. And we were using the drag and drop from Googan Squad. So I thought I'd be nice, and I decided that I'm going to part with one of the Independence Day zingers. New pack of the Doob tubes. And we got an Independence Day Googan Squad shirt. Hold on a minute. There we go. There we go. So, second place can get that stuff.
Thank you, Matt.
You're welcome. Well, until next video, I hope you guys have some fun on the water, and I will see you then. Take care.